good enough because that day's never going to come. Come on. Come on with all your hang-ups. Let Jesus clean you up. And as you come, let your coming say, God, I need you. God, forgive me. God, I give myself to you.
Hey, man. I know you got love. I can feel it in you. 'Cause I ain't scared of you no more.
Man, I got your life right in my hands. I can take it away, or I can give it back to you. I'm gonna give it back to you.
Wow, man. I really don't dig this scene tonight at all.
God loves you, He loves you, just as you are now standing there in your cold, dark and bitter little world. He loves you, He loves you. His hand is reaching out.
I'm gonna give my life to God, Davy. It better work, 'cause I damn near got killed for it.
This is the miracle, Nicky. The miracle I've been praying for.
God loves Nicky Cruz.
This is the miracle I was talking about. Oh, you're going to find yourselves tonight, and you're going to know in your hearts it was a miracle. So you'll never trust in your own flesh again, but in the flesh sacrificed for you by Jesus. I want you all to have Bibles. Gomez's, help me, please.
Hey, Preach! Preach, how about giving us one of those big books so people can really see what we're carrying? Hey, Preach, me too! Got one of those. Me too, Preach. Preach.
You look kind of different, Nick.
How?
Bright. All kinds of shiny.
Maybe it's because I'm about 2 minutes old right now.
I'm different, too.
I know. You kicked the junk.
Oh, Nicky. I'm free now. I'm really free.
Hey! I'm all over this book! My name's in the Bible! Israel, 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 Israel! I'm practically on every page!
So, this was the beginning, the breakthrough that was to make the ghetto my church. Little did I know it was going to lead to our own center, a home where lonely, mixed-up kids could be given a new beginning. Or that from the tortured streets of Harlem and Brooklyn, the Teen Challenge concept would spread across the land to other cities, to other Nickys and Israels and Roses, surrounding them with love instead of hate and fear. One thing I already knew, in the battle for souls that surges through the tenement-lined alleys and the back streets, you can take it from this skinny preacher from the hills of Pennsylvania. The cross is mightier than the switchblade.
But then I heard of a love so great, greater than all of my bitter hate. Saw some love so strong, makes you love the man who's done you wrong. Oh, I see love as the Son of God, who gave his life for a mean and lonely guy like me. Though it's hard for me to see, I'll try to